So in this video, we are going to learn how to add leads from Facebook lead ads to KrispCall. Let's say you are marketing your business using Facebook lead ads and generating some leads using the Facebook ads. And you want to add those leads in KrispCall, which is a telephone service, let's say, which you are using for your business. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. And in this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically with the same details, that lead will be added as a contact in KrispCall. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on this particular Facebook page, I'm running some Facebook ad to generate some new leads. Now I want that all the leads which I'm generating from my Facebook ads, I want to add those leads as contact in KrispCall. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook ad account with KrispCall. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. Just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let me name my workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to KrispCall. Facebook lead ads to KrispCall. And after naming the workflow, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow and click on Create. And as we click on Create, we will see the automation workflow will open in front of us. Now here in this automation, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account, our Facebook ad account or Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the triggers tab. So that whenever a new lead is generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that newly generated lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that lead to KrispCall and we are going to add those leads as contact in our KrispCall account as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, in Choose app, we have to search for Facebook lead ads and just select it. After selecting Facebook lead ads in trigger event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Lead Instant. After selecting this trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection over here. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, in which particular Facebook page we are running some ad. From which particular Facebook page by running ad, we are getting new leads. We have to select that page over here. So I'm running some ads on this page, let's say named as Green Pro Landscaping. So from this drop down, I'm going to search for the same page. After selecting your Facebook page, all the lead gen form which you have created on this Facebook page while running the ads, you will get a list of all of those forms in this next drop down. So here in this drop down, you can see right now on this particular page, I have created two lead gen form. First one is Green Landscape and second one is named as Lawn Care and Landscaping. Now, if you just want to get or capture the leads from a particular lead gen form and add those leads as contact in KrispCall, so from this drop down, you can select that particular form as well. But if you want to capture the leads from all the lead gen form which you have on this page and you want to add all the leads which you are generating in KrispCall, in that case, you can select this option of all lead gen forms too. So because I want to add the leads from all the different lead gen form which I have selected this option. After selecting the lead gen form, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, we will see it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some details of a new lead from Facebook lead ads. So let's do it. We are going to generate a test lead, a dummy lead over here. And to generate the test lead, we will be using the Facebook lead ad testing tool. So under Meta for Developer section, you get this lead ad testing tool, and using this testing tool, you can generate some test lead. Now, if you want to learn how you can access this lead ad testing tool and how you can use this testing tool to generate some test lead, we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can refer to that video and learn everything around the Meta lead ad testing tool. After coming to this testing tool, here it is asking us for the page. So from this drop down, we have to select the page that on which particular page we want to generate the lead. And after selecting the page, in the next field, you will see the list of all the lead gen form which we have, that using which particular form we want to generate the lead. Let's say I'm generating the lead from this green landscape for this particular form. So I have selected that. Now after this, just click on this preview form button. And after clicking on preview form, here we are going to enter the details of a test lead, a dummy lead. Let's say the name of this lead is demo user. This is the email address, and then this is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. So just now we have entered the details of a dummy lead, a test lead. Now just click on next and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see just now using this lead ad testing tool, we have created a test lead. Now, because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of this exact same test lead which we have created. We have the same name, demo user, we have the same email, and also we have the same mobile number as well. Also, if you will scroll down, you can see some other details related to the same lead too. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. And we have successfully received the new leads from Facebook lead ads in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to add the same lead as contact in KrispCall. So for that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in choose app, we are going to search for KrispCall. Just select it. After selecting KrispCall, an action event from this drop down, select the action event as add contact. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our KrispCall account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and secret key of our KrispCall account. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get this API key and secret key. So for that, just go to your KrispCall account and from the left sidebar, go to this settings section. After coming to settings, we will go to developer. And under this developer section, you can see the API key and secret key. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the secret key as well and paste it over here too. And after entering these details, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our KrispCall account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the name. That what is the name of this new contact which we want to create in KrispCall. So we have received the details of the lead from Facebook lead ads in the trigger step. And in these details, we have the name of the person, name of the lead, we have the email address and the phone number. So what we have to do? One by one, we have to map all of these details of a new lead from this trigger step of Facebook lead ads. And we are going to map this data to this KrispCall action step. Now the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped over here. After this, just add a space and select and map the response of last name as well. After mapping the name, it is asking us for the phone number. So we will still use the same process of mapping. Just click here and from the drop down, select the response of phone number and map it over here. Then after that, we have to map the email. Just click here and from the drop down, select and map the response of email address over here. After entering these details, it is asking us for the company and address. Now we haven't received any details related to the company or the address of this lead from Facebook lead ads. And both of these fields are not mandatory, they are not required. So if you want, you can ignore these two fields for now as well. And after mapping all the required details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the new lead which was generated using Facebook lead ad testing tool, the same lead is now added as a contact in KrispCall. So let's check it. We will go to KrispCall and we will just go to the contact section once. And yes, here you can see demo user, the same person, the same lead which we have just now generated few minutes ago using the lead ad testing tool. The same lead is added in our KrispCall account. We have the same name, we have the same email and also the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation setup is now successfully completed. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. And to test it, I will go back to my lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead. But before generating another test lead, we have to delete the previous test lead which we have generated. Because using this lead ad testing tool, you can only generate one lead at a time. So just click on this delete lead button and after clicking on delete, you will see the previously generated lead will be deleted. Now after this, just refresh your lead ad testing tool page once. After refreshing it from this drop down of page, we are going to select our Facebook page in which we want to generate the lead. So my Facebook page is Green Pro Landscaping. I'll just search for that page and select it over here. Here it is. After selecting the page, just select the form and click on Preview Form. Now after this, let's enter the detail of another test lead. This time the name of this lead is test user. This is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. Sorry, this is the email address. This is the mobile number and the email address is this. So just now we have entered the details of another test lead in this Facebook lead ad testing tool. The name of this lead is test user, this is the email and this is the mobile number. After entering these details, just click on next and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see a new lead is generated using Facebook lead ad testing tool. Now because we have created this automation, we will see automatically within few seconds, the same lead will be added as contact in KrispCall. So we will just refresh this contacts page once. And yes, here you can see test user, the same person, the same lead whose details we have just now added on lead ad testing tool. With the same details, that lead is added as contact in our KrispCall account. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.